Alright, so today we are working on the four-door again. Been driving this daily, and we're going to start working on the truck before too long. But I've been driving it daily, and I noticed I haven't done anything to the suspension because I want to keep it at stock height because my other Honda's slammed. And I wanted to keep this one the stock height because then we'll be driving it around and I don't want to have to deal with it. So I was leaving work one day and I was turning sharp and it kind of heard like a rubbing sound, almost like the tires were rubbing the bottom of the car, which it's ridiculous because there's plenty of clearance. So I was like, well, I got to figure out what's going on. So I got up under the car. Let me show you what's going on here. Alright, so after I got up under the car, I was looking at the control arms. So that control arm looks pretty good. This control arm, wait a second. They're backwards, which is weird. So yeah, one of the tires is shifted forward a little bit because the control arms are not correct. So I bought new control arms, of course, aftermarket control arms, but I got a good deal on them, so we're going to replace control arms, and hopefully that will resolve that problem, and the car will... Alright, so once you get the other one out, it should fit in there pretty easy. Just slide it up from here. Just run this bolt back in. Pretty much gonna do the same thing with the other side. And then we'll start over there. Not that hard. Hondas, this is like some of the easiest stuff to do. So we're just gonna barely tighten everything up, just enough where we can kind of move it all around and get everything buttoned back up. Then we'll torque it down, and then we're good. All right. So when doing this, you can't get this hole over here lined up. It's best to put your jack up under the arm. Jack it up a little bit and then tap right here. Kind of tap it forward, get it lined up. So tap it, jack, tap, till the hole lines up, and slide that bolt in, and that will get you squared away. The other side's already done. Just got to put this on now, and the easiest way to do this one, since it's off, is to push down here. Basically line it up, push down, and then slide that bolt in, and you'll be good. Let's get that done. Alright, so now we got all the bolts in, everything is tightened down. We are good to go. I just gotta put the wheels back on. The reels. I gotta put the reels back on. I gotta put the wheels back on, and then we're good. So, good to go. Alright. I'm gonna do a test drive, and we should be good. And let's go show you right there. They are the same arm. Put the wrong arm on the car, which is interesting. Probably why the car, it drove straight, it drove good, but just in turns it felt a little weird. So yeah, we are good to go now. Alright, tires are back on, we're good to go. Everything seems to be good. We're going to give it a whirl, see what we got. Everything looks cool. So let's go test drive her. See how she runs. Alright, the control arms are done. Test drive went good. It runs really smooth. And we're out. Take it easy. Peace.